everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a fire truck from letter F. Let's draw and color together. First, draw letter F. Let's turn it to a fire truck now. A fire truck is a big bright red or sometimes yellow vehicle that firefighters use to get to emergencies quickly. Fire trucks are packed with important tools, equipments and ladders. Fire trucks have loud sirens and flashing lights to help them move through traffic safely. Fire trucks are designed to be super tough and fast so that they can respond to all kinds of emergencies. When you see a fire truck on the road, it's on an important mission and it's exciting to know they are there to help keep everyone safe. Let's paint together now. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. watching the video. See you on the next video.